Hello, and fuck you. Today, we're doing a tank thing with my tank. So basically, this is a tank that I've had for a little bit. It's a 10-gallon, and it's run down. There are no fish in here because they got moved, and it's just not a healthy environment. The water's way too hard. So we're gonna be doing some stuff with this. So we're gonna be completely rescaping it, and we're gonna, it's basically just a clean sweep of the tank. Hello, so in this part, this is editing time, by the way. So in this part, I basically drained all the water and I scrubbed off the tank because that's gonna make it an easier transition while redoing this tank. I also took the filter away and cleaned that out because this tank was pretty run down. Yeah, it was pretty run down. So after that, I started adding gravel, and that's why the water became so foggy. But this was to give it a nice landscape. I don't know, I just thought it'd be a cool touch. I also had driftwood and a big rock, which this is really the only footage I have of that, which kind of sucks. Okay, so I filled the tank up a little bit more, and so now I'm gonna just run a net through it and try and get some of that gunk out that's still on the surface. And then we are going to add the plants back. So now I'm removing the gunk, as I just said, because this is going to help prevent the fish from eating it or whatever and choking, which I don't want, surprisingly. Don't want to kill my fish. Huh, weird. Okay, so I just got all the stuff out, but I'm actually going to fill this up before I put the plants in, because this noise is just annoying me. So the first thing is this little algae ball. I don't really know what to do with it, so we are going to put it over here. Oh, quick thing. Heater is gonna go right next to the filter. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, now we just have the plants. First, I'm gonna put in this guy. This is gonna be on the lower end because it's bigger. Next, we got this little lettuce looking thing. Yeah. So this one's gonna be higher up because it's a smaller plant. The bokeh, which is also a smaller plant, so yeah, you get the idea. Hello, it's future Tommy. And I kind of lost a lot of footage during the making of this video, which includes most of putting the rocks in and some of the plants. That's just how good of a creator I am. The footage I lost the adding the fish, I lost adding the big rock, and I lost adding some of the plants. So yeah. Also, the way you know it's not really me I didn't need tell me, is because I have a different hat. So thank you guys so much for watching that video. It was pretty fun to make. So if you did enjoy it, then who cares really? Bye. Fuck you. Just leave. I don't know what I'm doing.